Welcome to Supercar Blondie. Today, we're taking a wild ride into the future with the 2026 Ford Bronco, a modern-day beast that blends legendary off-road DNA with cutting-edge innovation. Ford has reimagined what it means to dominate rugged terrains, and the 2026 Bronco stands as a bold evolution of its iconic past while charging headfirst into the future. From the first glance, the 2026 Bronco demands attention. Ford has sharpened its design language, keeping the boxy, muscular frame that fans adore, but with refined aerodynamics and futuristic accents. The grille is more aggressive, the LED headlights have a more angular, tech-savvy look, and new color options include some bold, desert-inspired finishes. And for the hardcore adventurers, there's even a removable roof and doors. Yes, it still holds on to that wild, go-anywhere spirit. Under the hood, Ford's offering more options than ever. The base model comes with a 2.7-liter EcoBoost V6 tuned for better efficiency and torque. But if you're someone who wants a serious punch, there's also a hybrid version packing a turbocharged engine combined with electric motors, delivering instant torque on the trail and impressive fuel economy on the highway. Rumors are even swirling about an all-electric Bronco that could arrive later in the year, aimed directly at competing with the likes of the Rivian R1S and Jeep Recon EV. Driving the Bronco feels like you've been handed the keys to your own off-road kingdom. The Go80 goes over any terrain, modes are smarter, faster, and now include terrain recognition sensors that adjust drive modes automatically. So whether you're crawling over rocks, wading through rivers, or zipping through sand dunes, the 2026 Bronco reads the environment and optimizes itself in real time. It's not just capable, it's intuitive. Inside, the Bronco is more refined than ever. Gone are the days of purely rugged interiors. The 2026 model features a stunning 13.2-inch infotainment display powered by Ford's latest SINC5 system. It's quick, ultra-responsive, and integrates wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, plus an optional trail mapping feature that lets you plan off-road routes and share them with other Bronco owners. The digital gauge cluster is customizable, and the 360-degree camera system now includes a drone-style aerial view, perfect for navigating tight trails or urban environments. Comfort is no afterthought either. Premium models come with heated and ventilated leather-trimmed seats, a 10-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, and ambient lighting that gives the cabin a seriously upscale vibe. Plus, Ford has added extra insulation to reduce wind and road noise, something that off-roaders didn't realize they needed until now. Ford also upped the ante with its safety and driver assistance tech. You get adaptive cruise control, lane centering, blind spot monitoring, and even a semi-autonomous hands-free driving system called Blue Cruise that works on over 130,000 mil.